If you're anything like me, knowing what to buy someone is a nightmare. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 gift ideas for photographers, all under $52. Welcome, my name's Wes, and on this channel, I talk about tips, tools, and tech to help creators grow in their passions. If you're new here and that's something you're into, hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into it. Gift idea number 1 is one of my favorites, and this is the Peak Designs camera strap. So it's made of a super strong like seatbelt material, and so it doesn't stretch. It's very sturdy, and it comes with these quick adjustment latches. So basically you just flip this up and then literally you can just change the length of it that quick. It's like super fast. But my favorite part about this whole thing is that it comes with a bunch of these little guys, and you can buy extras. So if you have like multiple cameras, then you put these on your camera, and then you can literally just pop this in there just like that, and you got your strap on a new camera that quick. So for someone like me, I shoot 5 or 6 different cameras, and I like to rotate them. I don't like to shoot the same camera every day, but I put these on my cameras, and seriously, I can just switch this out like super fast, just like that, and it's already done. So I highly recommend this thing. It's super affordable, it's super worth the money, and yeah, highly recommend it. Gift idea number 2 is a solution to a huge problem that most photographers have, and that is the creative rut. We're always willing to go out and shoot, we always want to go out and shoot, but we don't always have the inspiration or the ideas, and that's where this book comes in. And this is the Photographer's Playbook. It's 307 ideas and assignments. Basically, if you are an established photographer and you're just hitting a creative block, then this will help you break through that. But also, if you're a brand new photographer and you just want to get better at your craft, this will also help you do that. So it's got a bunch of ideas, some of them are abstract to make you think, and that's definitely not a bad thing. But some of them are super simple, but basically just to kind of get you out shooting and thinking through your photography. So I highly recommend this. Gift idea number 3 is incredibly practical for digital photographers, especially wedding photographers or anyone who might shoot a lot of photos. And that is the Think Tank SD Pixel Pocket Rocket. It's a mouthful to say, but essentially this is a SD card wallet that holds 9 SD cards. And I've been using this guy for probably about 5 or 6 years, and as you can see, it almost looks like it's brand new. But yeah, it comes in multiple different colors. So it comes in blue, green, gray. I picked the black and orange so that I could see it in the dark if I was working in the dark, or if I drop it, or if I need to find it in my bag, it easily stands out. The best thing about this thing is it folds up super compact, and I can fit it in my little pocket, just like that. It also comes with a strap with a hook on it, so if you want to put it in your back pocket and then clip it onto your belt loop, you have that option. But yeah, I highly recommend this thing. It's worth every penny for it. I've been using it forever, and if I ever lose it, I'll buy another one. Gift idea number 4 is one of my favorites. It's one of the most inspiring things in my collection, and as someone who loves history and loves the history of photography, this massive book right here called Magnum Contact Sheets has been one of the more inspiring books that I have. This is the hardbound edition, which is fairly expensive, but they also have a paperback version, which is really affordable. But basically this book goes through and shows all of the world famous photographers, how they got those images, just a little history behind the images and the photographers themselves. For me, it's been one of the more inspiring pieces of literature that I have as far as photography is concerned, and I can't recommend it more. This thing, yeah, it's been one of the more inspiring books that I have in my collection, and I feel like it would inspire your friends and family who are photographers, because not only do we like to take photos, but we also like to look and we like to learn. It's just the nature of photography. So I highly recommend that book. Last but not least, gift number 5, one of the more practical gifts you can give a photographer, and one thing that almost every photographer should have in their bag, and that's the Joby GorillaPod. This thing is amazing. It is a camera tripod that goes almost anywhere. You can attach it to a tree branch, just wrap it around like that. You can put it on a fence post. Basically, you can put this thing almost anywhere a camera or a regular tripod cannot go. You can use it as a tabletop tripod for if you're wanting to film yourself, for your webcams, or for live streaming on YouTube. But also too, you can use this thing as a selfie stick and yeah, do your vlogs. So yeah, this thing is super practical, super versatile, and it's super affordable. I highly recommend this guy. All right, guys, that's been 5 gift ideas for photographers, all under $52. If any of these items pique your interest, follow the links in my description. Go pick these up for your friends, family, or even for yourself. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know the next time one of my videos drop. And until we meet again, aloha shoots.